Hello, my name is Joel Windsor, manager of MusicFestivalSuite.com. Windsor Graphics is pleased to offer Music Festival Suite to festivals across Canada. You are watching this video because you are a volunteer or employee of a festival that subscribes to Music Festival Suite.
This video will walk you through how to double-check your registrations for accuracy once your registration period is over.
Please note that while this video walkthrough is meant to help you, it is not an exhaustive look at all of the details of the system. For more refined details, read the printable MusicFestivalSuite.com administration manual available on the Subscribing Festivals pages at MusicFestivalSuite.com.
When your registration period is done, it's now time to work through making sure every registration includes appropriate information. This means setting up scrutineers for your system and using the various tools Music Festival Suite has designed to help you through this process. The first step is to set up administrative users for everyone who will be scrutineering your registrations. Each scrutineer should get their own login because Music Festival Suite tracks who has checked which classes based on these logins. They will only need read-write access to Registration Admin and only need read access to the profiles. You can then assign a set of classes for each scrutineer to review, and other scrutineers can work simultaneously from the comfort of their own homes because the data is stored on the cloud. The basic step for scrutineering is to access the Registration Admin and select the class you wish to scrutineer. Once opened, you will be able to easily identify the person's name, their age as of December 31st of the year previous to your festival, the piece they're performing including the composer and arranger, how long they anticipate the performance to be, the instrument they'll be playing, and whether or not the registration has been paid. If you find any errors, you can edit the registration immediately in this screen. The only thing you will not be able to change is which class the registration is in if the class you're trying to switch it to has a different registration fee than the one the registrant already paid for. Otherwise, you can adjust whatever you wish. Remember, what is in the system is what will get printed in a festival program. If you find that it is necessary to delete a registration, we suggest you hesitate to do so unless it is absolutely necessary and you've taken every precaution possible, but it is indeed possible to do so from this screen. Once you've approved a registration, click the appropriate box and save it. It will show that you are the administrator who has approved that registration. Any registration that is not approved will show a red flag on it during the scheduling period as a warning that the class hasn't been fully reviewed. There are 3 other tools that will become quite helpful in approving registrations. The first is the TBA's list. Some registrants may enter a registration without identifying the piece to be played by entering TBA. You can review these registrations in this list. You can also send a targeted email to these registrants using the email composer in Registration Admin. You can also review all the registrations for which someone may have accidentally put in the wrong length of piece. For example, they may have entered 5 in the piece length, thinking they were supposed to put in the number of minutes when they should have entered 300 seconds instead. Use the Pieces Less Than feature to look for all of those registrations that may have a length that is far lower than is actually intended. It is important to get the length of the pieces correct because it affects how Music Festival Suite calculates times for the schedule. You can also look back in time to see if a registrant entered in a particular class in a previous year. The easiest way is to switch years beside the title for registration administration. Once you've switched years, you'll be able to see all the registrations that occurred during that festival year. Finally, the statistics page provides you with a wealth of information, including how many fees have been paid, how much is left owing, how many people registered in the various categories and disciplines, and from which communities. This is the screen your treasurer will find invaluable.
If you need to see more details of your subscription with MusicFestivalSuite.com, refer to the MFS Admin Manual available on the Subscribing Festivals page of www.MusicFestivalSuite.com. If you need an answer not provided in the manual, please feel free to send your questions to support@MusicFestivalSuite.com. Thank you for viewing this administrative tutorial.